Ever wished you could see your dream home before making costly mistakes? Or maybe you're stuck staring at endless swatches, not knowing what works best for your space. Welcome to Ideal House. Today, we'll show you how interior remodel can eliminate renovation guesswork, paint indecision, and costly design detours by helping you reimagine any room instantly. Let's explore 3 everyday situations where you might need interior remodel. Scenario 1. Homeowners planning renovations. Do you ever wonder, what would my kitchen look like with modern cabinets and wood flooring? Instead of just imagining, let's upload a photo and see real results right now. Scenario 2. Interior designers testing concepts. Are you a designer wanting to wow your client with several styles? How can I quickly showcase a bohemian vibe, then switch to minimalist for the same space? Interior remodel lets you do both in seconds. Scenario 3. Real estate virtual staging. Selling a home with dated interiors. Ever asked, how do I help buyers picture a fresh, modern living room? Let's virtually stage it and attract more buyers using AI-generated previews. Here's how you can remodel any room in just a few clicks. Upload a clear photo of the room. Yes, you can use your mobile photos, no professional camera required. Next, select your preferred style. Are you into Scandinavian, modern farmhouse, or Japandi? Hundreds of styles are right here. Want something specific? Type in your prompt, like add wood flooring, white cabinets. The AI handles it all. Hit generate and watch your remodel preview appear. Download, share, or revise until you've found your dream look. Ready to remodel your interior with zero guesswork and maximum style? Hop on Ideal House today and explore hundreds of design possibilities, all tailored to your taste. Where will your next idea take you? Tell us in the comments. And subscribe for more tutorial episodes on AI and home decor.